Good evening, everyone. This is John David. Welcome to John FX Trading. We are looking at what I'm going to be sharing with you in this group is strictly going to be all I have learned over the years studying my mentor's material here on YouTube. If you want more, you can go search his material, I information, Stacy Buck, trading. That's my mentor. Well, great then. So I'm just going to be showing a bit of all I've learned through his concept. Remember, never forget it. Market always do three things. Always ask yourself, what is the market doing at the time you're coming to trade? I always ask myself that. It does three things. It breaks out, it fails, it breaks out, it reverses and continues in the direction of the breakout, that is trend trade or stays within a trading range. Like I said, there's going to be a very short video, technical video yet again. I'll just be relating with you the trade I did take today. Great, let's go into it. Remember, one thing that will save you from wasting time, money, and effort will be impatience. Once you're trading this market, always have it in your mind that 90% of what you will be doing is going to be patience, then maybe 10% strategy. Whatever your strategy is, if you can't wait, you won't be able to get the best out of it. I resonate well with Stacy Box trading because I see facts. It tells what the market is really doing, and I know what I'm looking for. What you should be asking whenever I come to trade is, look at my chart, for example. What can you tell is happening? You're just surprised in every level you can't read it. But what I want to tell you is this, it is planned, and you can actually, given its time, you'll be able to read price. Great, then let's go into it, what I traded today. All I did was when I came into my chart, this was the instrument I looked at. I have so many instruments I'm always looking at, but the one that is setting up rightly the way I have seen over and over again, that is the one I trade. I don't diddle in the middle. So what I do is I came to my chart and I have price close first in breakout. Great. That is confirmed. It closed in breakout. What I do, I extended this level at which I think price broke out from, which is previous day's low. This is Tuesday. Price closed in breakout. I only look 2 days back to see how price behaved. And the next day, which was yesterday or Wednesday, I got price, triggered the low, broke out and failed. Breakout and sustained. It stayed in the breakout, but breakout and fail. Then the day of trading, I always also look at this level, which is closing price, also very important level. So what happened was, I saw that price came out and went back inside. But prior to this day, all I have is momentum is to the downside. Okay, great then. And our price is giving me information. This could easily come to this level, break and keep going high. But what do we have? It got to this level and gave me another information. What's information? It brought this into my watch list. Why? Because it triggered previous days high, brought it to My watch list, I only trade, I usually trade the New York section, though I sometimes trade the London section. But for me, looking at this trade, I saw price came back to that very level, which is the high of the previous day, and went in one push, two pushes. Now, the time of my trading, I saw price pumping back up to that very level, and therefore have price pumping one push, two pushes, three pushes back to the eye without breaking out. Steve Marabou said something. He said when price stall in a particular area in three pushes without taking out that level, reversal is inevitable. And that's what I saw here. I saw one, two, three pushes. All there is price pump back into my section. When I saw this, I looked at the time and I looked at also, that is a level, yes. Then I, behavior price pumped into my section. Then I look at the number box. Where exactly is price? Don't worry, that is something we'll share some other time. But what I know is that price came back to this level. Then I go straight. Stacy always says, make trading be a pursuit of pleasure, not you diddling in the middle and causing serious pain to yourself. I know that price has already pumped back up. This closing price pumped back up. And at my timing window, what happened? I saw price gave me this very candle, that this very kind of pin engulfment. All of these candles here were became under water. So I took my trade. My stop loss just above this level. Then my take profit. I usually go for one full range extension if the box is big. And that is what just happened. Though I was targeting the low of the previous day. But when it got to this level, I took out 90% and just trailed my trade. So what you think is stay out of the noise, learn money making setup, learn to trade a winnable setup, stop gambling. This is what can significantly compound and grow your account and build your trading business fast. Get out of the noise. Stop listening to them fools and gurus online telling you they're making 1 billion and another. What is my concern? My business is this. I could lock myself indoors and do this over and again as long as I'm making the money from the market. The market is paying me. I'm fine. So what I will tell you is this: learn this. This is scalable. You can repeat it and you can build your trading business in size. Great then. This was my trade today. I just felt like sharing. Thank you for the time. And may the market go with you. Keep it going, guys.